G'day. What is it now?
27th.
27th, day after Bob. 65 mils apparently. 80 over the back. Just gonna go around, push a few sheep off the stubbles. Because they're probably a bit wet underfoot. And then I'll drop a hay bale in each paddock near the dams, and I think they'll be right. Had a bit of a clean up after Christmas this morning.
Boxes, paper.
Sloughed a fair bit yesterday. No, we did a little bit. Yeah, give Sid Dog a run. Got the whole gang in the buggy today, so hopefully we don't stick any screwdrivers in the cigarette lighter and we'll be good. Where is Sid Dog? Up, Sid Dog. Get up. Up, up. Up, up.
Up. Get up.
Get up. Get up. Up. Up.
Up. Get up.
Get up. Get up. Get up. Good boy. Driving around these stubbles, they're pretty wet. I reckon we'll struggle to get a truck in a paddock for at least a week. I don't know, I might dry out with a bit of wind and sun, but even in the buggy she was wet enough. I'm going to try a trick with this bale feeder. So I've got two on the front like that. I don't know if it's going to work. I've got a knife here. So I'm just going to cut. Oh, it's just shit. Cut a little bit like that. Why am I doing this on the downwind? So I'm going to cut a little bit like that, pull it back, didn't cut it, nah, it's going to fall to shit. See what I mean? Just falls to shit. Well, that was an epic fail. Look how that went down. Yeah. So now I've just got a big mess right in front of me piles of but that's alright. I'll go and feed this out to these pretty average sheep I got here near the house. And then I think I'm just going to chuck it in there with the net wrap on it, and I don't know, maybe you could sort of cut half, spin it around, pull the other half off. Might try that. Because it's nothing worse than getting the shit wrapped up around the bearings and all the stuff. I think I've just made a mess. This is going that quick. Oh yes, look at that. That is just beautiful. Oh, what do I do it? Oh yeah, here we're going. Yeah, just finished up giving the ewes a bit of hay. Oh, sort of pushed them out of the stubbles, got them onto the grass paddocks. Yeah, it's pretty wet. I don't think I want to be doing this much earlier, or I would have just made a mess. Yeah, it's always funny. You seem to put a gate where there's always wet. I think it's just a golden rule. When you build a gate, it just becomes a gutter or a gully. So probably should have thought about that. Oh, there's the phone, but that can wait. Yeah, so I've sort of dumped a bale into each of the dams and just fed out a roll as well. So hopefully that'll keep me going for the next couple of days, and then I'll start rain feeding. There's not much feed now that it's rained. Like all the dry feed's just on the ground, knocked out. Yeah, and there's not much in the paddocks at all now. So sort of just start feeding barley, giving hay, just keep them going. They're obviously joined, so I'll yeah, just keep them ticking away. Get them on the lime and salt soon, and yeah, just get it set up so when we do go away, the old man can just come out, hook onto the feeder and give him some food, and then go home. How are we all? Yeah, just back. Today's no Friday. Yeah, Friday for New Year's Eve weekend. So yeah, just got the header out. I'm gonna sort of wash it up. I'll wash the box out, clean it out. Obviously, give her a blow down, drop all the chutes. Yeah, just get it ready to put back in the shed. Yeah, try and blow it down as good as I can, so then I don't have a heap of mice and rats and stuff get in it over the winter and that. So yeah, I'll kick her into gear. Hopefully nothing will break. We'll just run the front for a little bit. Don't mind the buzzer. There's not really much that's going to run in there. So we'll kick her in the guts. We'll let her run for a bit. I'll sort of show you what happens. Just run it for sort of, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. That's sort of all you can do. Then yeah, I'll just blow it out, give it a good blow down. I'm going to hose the box out, so I'll do a bit of a video on that. It just seems to work a lot better hosing out, so get it a lot cleaner. Yeah, that's about it. So I'll just shut the shed off, I'll back it up to the pump. I'll do a bit of a time sort of lapse thing on that. Yeah, do that. I'll wash the box out whilst the augers are running. Just seem to do a better job. Yeah, you can see everything there. You're blowing out the air, it just seems to blow up everywhere and you never get it. So Righto, so we've got the last blow down of the year, really, or the last, clean off of the header. So obviously there's a fair bit of stuff built up, but I'm gonna blow all that out. So then if I have to do some maintenance in the off season, yeah, it's pretty easy to get to. Well, not easy, but just a cleaner. Don't get covered in shit. But open her all up, blow everything off, give her a wash maybe, and then put her in the shed. Take that chute off. And yeah, that's about it. Fire on the back. We've had a bit of rain. I'm just going to work a few Firebreaks. I sprayed this paddock out. It was before harvest, probably late spring. So yeah, it's obviously died off now, but yeah, there's a fair bit of grass residue there, so we're just going to put a Firebreak around it, and when we get a chance, all the restrictions come off, we'll burn it. But seeing we've got a bit of moisture in the ground, we might as well work the brake. I'm not going to work the paddock up, just work a Firebreak. So yeah, got the whole clan in the tractor today. Poor Heidi's got the worst seat in the house on the toolbox in the cabin there with no padding, but that's alright. That was interesting. Yeah, come over here to Herbie's, get a load of barley out of his paddock. Yeah, first field bin was alright to fill, the truck, kept moving. Then we got to the second one and yeah, that was the end of that. The truck sunk down. Yeah, obviously you can see the mud out when we actually had to go get a big tractor and tow me out. She wasn't moving. Diff locks, everything was in, and she was going nowhere. So yeah, I sort of pulled into the paddock and I thought to myself, Herbie, this is dead. But yeah, went to the next bin. It seemed a little bit better, but nah. I think we'll get this one load off now and call it quits on trucking for a while. Even the roads are dead, like you feel how hard it's going, so yeah. Look at that. Bit going on here. It's got a snapped pull. Obviously I think she'd been rusted through for a while, so yeah. I got Maeve down here, me and Maeve and Phil. So we're gonna dig it out and find out what we can look for, what we can find.
Jesus, that is way too.
What do you reckon, mate? Where's your hat?
Yeah, the end of this day.
Yeah, she's just completely snapped. Right. I was pulling a chaser bin, so yeah, we took a bit of video of that yesterday, but so you can see where it's actually worn, and yeah, I think it's just been bouncing around too long. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the worst of it off, because as you can see, it's actually got stress fractures in it there. So I sort of started filming halfway through I started, so I'll sort of time lapse a bit and do that. Yeah, sort of V-prepped this pull, so yeah, I'm gonna sort of tack it on the bench here, set her up. I'm not really set up for this, but I've got this boat here, but yeah, there's stuff going everywhere actually. Yeah, so I'll get it tacked up and then we'll I'll do a bit of a video of me welding it out. So yeah, I'll sort of show you what I've done there. So I've, yeah, V-prepped it out. Still got a little bit of heat in it, like, yeah. I probably won't heat it, I'll just let it cool naturally as well. It's a bit of a temp fix, but I think it'll keep them going. So yeah, I'm just gonna, yeah, I've obviously V-prepped that out, got it clamped to the bench, so I'll tack it. And then I'll flip it over, I'll root pass it, then flip it over again, weld it out. And I think I'll just keep flipping it until we get it to a point where we can finish her off. yeah, just a quick finish up video. I'll sort of show you what I did to that pool. Yeah, so that's how it all come out. Sort of beat it out, welded it up. So hopefully it'll hold. If not,
here we are in our caravan. We've come down to Warrnambool. We came down, what day? The 1st, Monday the 1st, because obviously harvest finished. So yeah, originally we were just coming for 4 days, but then we decided to stay an extra day. So we thought we might do a bit of a tour of the van. So, kids sleep in there. We zip rope it up and everything. And funnily enough, Maeve actually fell out of the bed last night because she doesn't like it zipped up all the way. Got our shower and toilet in there. Eating area, kitchen. Still broke the TV. Still broke the TV. What day was it? Thursday, the 4th. So we've just bought a new one, but then we need new bolts so it can be mounted up there and just like swing around. Stuart's going to take Maeve swimming. Oh no, fishing. So she's going to be wearing a life jacket, and we're just going to go with someone else. Nice little spot. Hey?
what? Yeah, it's good.
We haven't set everything up because there's like a full annex that goes all around, but we haven't set all that up. Wash. Ready?
There he goes. Well done. Yeah, your dad's gonna go fast, is he? Hey?
Hate. Harry goes very fast.
Oh! At least there's 1 or 2 boats that stopped. They're all out there where you started.